In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT in Czech. Now, whether you want to translate the page on ChatGPT to Czech, or whether you want ChatGPT to come back to you in the Czech language, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to do in order to make that happen. Now, with that said, I do want to mention one thing. ChatGPT is currently only available in the English language, because as you can see on the left-hand side here, there is no settings option, which means that you can't really change any of the settings, including the language, on ChatGPT. However, I did find a way around that. So, I am using Google Chrome on a Windows PC, so if you're using any other browser device or operating system, the process might be a little bit different for you. Whatever the case may be, I do want to say that please make sure to use Google Chrome, because I'm not sure whether this feature is available on any other browser. So yeah, once you are using ChatGPT on Google Chrome, simply right click anywhere on the screen, then click on Translate To. And in my case, it's English, so to add another language, simply click on the 3 dots right here, then choose another language and click on the arrow. And from here, find the Czech language, which is right here. Then click on Translate, and the front page of ChatGPT is automatically translated into the Czech language. Now, to get your output from ChatGPT in Czech, all you have to do is speak to ChatGPT in that language, and it will automatically understand what you're saying and revert back to you in Czech. Now, to test this out, I have prepared a little phrase, which is how are you? So I'm going to ask ChatGPT that right now, and let's see what it comes back with. Now, it did give me an error. To fix this error, simply refresh the page and it will work. Sometimes it might even take a little bit longer to work. So if that happens to you, simply refresh the page again and just try again. So within a few seconds, as you can see, ChatGPT is already coming back to me with a response in the Czech language. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Please do go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be more than happy to help.